Samsung's back with the Galaxy A36 mid-ranger and they are promising the world again. But is this phone the mid-range king it claims to be, or just another wannabe with a shiny screen and a fancy name? Well, I've got 5 reasons you might actually want to buy this thing and 1 reason you should probably just scroll right past it. Let's talk all about it. This is hands down the biggest selling point of the Galaxy A36. You're getting a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with over 2000 nits of peak brightness. Watching content on this thing is a treat. It's bright enough for even the sunniest outdoor conditions and the colors are super accurate. A delta E of just 1 in the sRGB color space and 100% sRGB coverage makes sure everything looks just as it should. And here's the kicker. Its SDR performance, not HDR, comes really close to the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra. Simply put, this is one of the best displays you can get at this price point. The Galaxy A36 is the thinnest phone in the lineup at just 7.4 mm. That's very sleek, and it's not all looks either. The glossy finish on the back shifts color under light, giving it a premium aesthetic. Sure, it's a fingerprint and smudge magnet, but nothing a good case can't fix. Plus, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on both front and back, it's got the durability to match its style. It feels solid and sturdy in hand, making it perfect for everyday use. Now, let's talk performance. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor is a solid mid-range chip and it delivers good everyday performance. Whether you are browsing social media, replying to texts, making calls, or even watching videos, this phone is smooth and responsive thanks to the excellent One UI 7 optimization, which makes a huge difference in the overall experience and is something that I think you should not discount in your buying decision. The overall performance is definitely a step up from the A35. Sure, it's not breaking any records, but in daily use, zero complaints. Multitasking feels fluid thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel buttery smooth. Just don't expect it to crush demanding games on maximum settings. The Galaxy A36 packs a 5000 mAh battery and it's a champ when it comes to endurance. It lasts all day on moderate use and you can expect it to power through your daily tasks such as browsing, social media with some light gaming without any hiccups. In the PC Mark battery life benchmark, the A36 ran for over 14 hours in tests that simulated daily tasks such as performance, web browsing, video editing, photo editing, document editing, scrolling past social media feeds, and basic camera use. Samsung has also bumped up the charging speed to 45 watts, so you can expect a faster refill, but you'll have to buy the charger separately. The triple camera setup does a good job for casual photography. The 50 megapixel main sensor captures detailed photos in well-lit conditions, and the night mode does a respectable job enhancing low-light shots without making them look artificial. Though I noticed that the camera app takes its own sweet time processing complicated scenes such as low-light shots with complex lighting. Sure, the portrait mode isn't perfect with edge detection occasionally messing up, but for most everyday shots, it's reliable enough for social media-ready photos. Now, Samsung decided to ditch the microSD card slot, which might be a deal breaker for some. If you need more storage, you're stuck with what you've got built in. No extra wiggle room. And in 2025, not having expandable storage on a mid-range phone feels like a letdown. So there you have it. The Galaxy A36 is a visual treat with a stellar display and reliable performance for everyday use and is definitely worth your attention. Though if you are a power user or are into competitive gaming, you might need to look elsewhere. Let me know in the comments if you are picking it up or passing on it. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.